Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, then continue and finally allow. You want to go with send on an Android and receive on Samsung tablet. Then click on all of those dots and tap send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only select this one song, click send and tap on got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here, select allow and point your camera at the code. But I will just type this password and click receive. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App My Files, select in my case audio, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!